Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my video. And in this video, it's not a tutorial. I'm actually teaching myself how to do acrylic nails at home. So I can remember in 2014 talking about it with somebody and saying that I really want to learn how to do my own natural nails. I want to be able to put myself together at home, look nice, feel nice without breaking the bank. And actually November last year, 2018, I had a bad experience at a nail salon, and I remember walking out of the salon and feeling so angry and feeling like I'm not going back. I'm gonna learn how to do my own nails. And fast forward almost 1 year later, I know how to do my own nails. So this was really exciting for me. Of course, I'm a beginner, so I'm not perfect. There's still more room to grow and improve, and that's what I aim to do. The thing with me is that I'm a big procrastinator and I need to stop procrastinating. I actually need to be practicing daily or weekly if I want to get to that pro level. So I bought a nail technician book, and this is an academic book that they would use in colleges. And I watch a bunch of YouTube videos, and I actually know how to do my own nails now, so I'm so proud of myself for that. And I want to try and achieve some really nice birthday nails, so I will be recording that as well in the month of November. There's not really much for me to say. I am following my book step by step. And if you don't understand the process, I would suggest going to a professional's channel, because they would use the correct terminology and everything like that, and they would teach. Whereas I'm not teaching in this tutorial, I'm only demonstrating how I am learning how to do my own natural nails or my own acrylic nails at home. So I'm gonna shut up now and you can sit back and enjoy the process. Any questions, please leave it down below, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye. So these are my end results. I've taken some pictures inside and outside so you can get a good look. And I've already noted down what the issues are. They're a bit too wide, so I need to work on the C-curve. And obviously the polish needs to be done better. And a week later I went ahead and cut the nails shorter and changed the color because I actually do prefer short nails. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.